between data science and full stack development, I will advise freshers to actually prefer full stack development. The reason is, although data science is popular, there are not many vacancies available in the industry because data science is a specialist field. So if you go through Stack Overflow survey of 2020, around 48% of vacancies or part of the pie is filled with full stack development. In case of data science and machine learning, it is around 8%. So you can see a huge difference between the number of vacancies available in data science and full stack development. Secondly, the entry barrier for data science as a fresher is too high because you need hell a lot of knowledge in statistics, then algorithms, and also the core working of all these tools which are essential in machine learning or deep learning or even neural networks. And all these technologies are, the field of data science is actually evolving a lot. So staying uh, up to date in this field and actually securing a job in the first place is a bit tedious and also a bit hard. In case of full stack development, learning website development does not have much of a background, or I can say domain knowledge. So even if you are from non-coding background or from coding background, learning full stack development is a bit easier. And also clearing interviews as a full stack developer is a tad bit easier because the questions are, I can say, they might be tough, but they are not as tough as you get in the data science field. And clearing an interview for full stack development is easier because you can show a lot of projects, you can actually work through various challenges in the interviews, and you can easily crack full stack development interviews. Secondly, as the number of vacancies are huge in full stack development, the reason being is, let's say I can take an example of startup. As a founder, I will first build my website, mobile app, backend technologies first. And after I have a critical user base reached, and if I have access to huge amounts of data, in that case, I will switch over to data science and ML. So essentially, a lot of startups will actually hire full stack developers first, and data science developers would come later. Also, there is a limited scope in industry for data science because a lot less industries are actually using data science even currently in 2020 as compared to full stack development. I'm not saying that there are less data science companies, but in comparison to full stack development, the industry vacancies are a lot less. So as a fresher, I would prefer or advise you all to go through full stack development first, gain a bit years of experience, and once you have let's say 2-3 years of experience in the field, then if you want, you can start transitioning into data science and learn all the algorithms, and then take a role in your existing companies or make a switch. That's up to you. As a fresher, full stack development is a preferred choice, definitely.